Hello students, in today's session we will see the third external program of Java. The program name is Write a Java program to count the frequency of words, characters in the given line of text. So let us see the coding. Open Notepad++. So this is the code for counting the words, characters in the given line of text. So let's discuss. Import java.io. Star semicolon. This is the import statement in Java. From this import statement, we can import some classes which are necessary in our program. Then comes class char word count. We have created here the class with the name char word count. Inside the class, we have declared public static void main. This is a main method in the Java which reads string argument and it throws IO, that is input output exception. Inside the main method, we have declared some variables, line that is line as string and word character and I as integer. We have set here the value for word and character, that is 0. Okay. Then comes data input stream in equal to new data input stream which has argument, that is system.in. This data input stream is the class imported from this IO package. This class allows us to read the input from the console. It is taking input from your system. So only we have written here the system.in. Then comes system.out.println, which prints the line, enter line of text. With the help of system.out.println, we can print the line on the console. Then line equal to in.readLine. Whatever line we will be entering, that will be get stored into this line variable. Then comes for loop. In the for loop, we have written I equal to 0, I is less than line dot length minus 1, I plus plus. Line dot length gives us the length of line. It also includes the white space. If this for loop is true, then it will increment the character by char plus plus. Then inside for loop we have your if condition. Inside condition we have written line dot caret I double equals to 32 and line dot caret I plus 1 is not equals to 32. It means in the line caret, that is character I, if it is equal to 32, 32 is a ASCII code for white space. So if it is equal to white space and line dot caret at I plus 1, that is next character from the current character, it's not equals to 32, then if both the conditions are true, then it will increment the value of word. And we have done with the for loop. Outside the for loop, we are printing system.out.println number of characters in a given line of text are plus char plus 1. We have append here the value of character. Same way, we are append the value of word. With the help of system.out.println number of words in a given line of text are, it will give the number of words which are incremented by word plus plus, and we have done with the class char word count. To execute this program, open command prompt. Okay, so d semicolon cd your folder name Then compilation command Java C program name, that is char word count. .java. Then press enter. It is successfully compiled. Then run command Java and the program name. It is char word count and press enter. It is showing you the message enter line of text. You have to enter your line. I'll pass my name. Okay, and press enter. It is giving us the number of characters in a given line of text are 7. It is counting from M, that is 1, 2, 3. It is also includes the white space between the words. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is giving you the characters in a given line is 7. Number of words in a given line of text are 2. I have entered the 2 words, so it is given the number of words 2. In this program, the for loop works as like this. That is, I equal to 0 means it is taking the 0th position character. In this program, we have the 0th character, that is M. So I less than line dot length. Line dot length equal to 7. 7 minus 1 means it is a 6. So 0 is less than 6. Then it will enter into the loop. It will increment the value of character, that is char plus plus means 1. Then it is checking the if condition, that is line dot char at I, that is 0 is equals to 32 means it is taking the first character M is equals to 32. Condition is false. Then it directly come out from the for loop. Again it will increment the value of I, that is 1. 1 is less than 6 as it is true. Then it will increment the character, that is 2. Then it will again check the if condition, that is line dot char at. It will taking the first character, that is Y is equals to 32. No. Condition is false. Then again it will come out of the loop. Again it will increment the I value, that is 2. 2 is less than 6 as it is true. Then it will increment the value of character, that is 3. Again it will check the if condition, that is line dot char at second position is equals second character is equal to 32. In our program, the second character is white space. So 32 is a ASCII code for white space. So second character is equals to 32. Condition is true. Again it will check the next condition, that is line dot char at I plus 1 means the second character from the white space, that is a N. N is not equals to 32 means N is not equals to white space. Then both the conditions are get true. That time it will increment the word plus plus means it will increment the value of word, and it will directly print the number of characters and words. So this is the small program. Hope you understood this program. Thank you.